As an individual investor who values objective and relevant information to decide your portfolio mix, you try to pore through many sites and prospectus to decide your next steps. You need information on the fund that was recommended by your friend or listed as must invest by your favorite money magazine as to how it interacts with the rest of your portfolio. You also want to understand the dynamics of your portfolio on various rebalancing scenarios in order to maximize the risk adjusted return. But trying to get this information from current tools in the market is like having wisdom tooth extracted without anesthesia. Some of them just provide fancy graphics of geographical and asset class distribution of your portfolio. But these fancy graphics do not give any information about whether your portfolio has been distributed for your risk and return profile. You may be tempted to use software such as the Microsoft Excel and data analysis tool to identify the efficient frontier where you can get an optimized return. But this process takes a lot of time. With your regular day job, how are you supposed to spend that much time to understand all the theories and do the number crunching to assess your portfolio? All this make you wonder, why isn't there an automation engine that does all the manual number crunching and present you with a dashboard that is logical to understand and let you make an executive call for the portfolio mix on the basis of your time horizon, your risk profile, and your need for return? Introducing Wisefolio. We have solved exactly that problem. Wisefolio is a cloud-based analytical engine that specializes in portfolio analysis based on widely celebrated modern portfolio theory. By just providing the tickers and current asset values, individual investors like you can let Wisefolio crunch all the numbers. You can even plug in tickers that you're following but do not yet have it in your portfolio to let Wisefolio assess whether that ticker makes your portfolio better or worse. You can then graphically visualize an efficient frontier curve which Wisefolio created automatically by varying the weights in your portfolio. You can see where you are currently on this efficient frontier curve and what should your portfolio mix be to get the maximum risk adjusted returns in a time horizon of your interest. That is the sweet spot for the portfolio that is composed of the funds that you fed to Wisefolio. That's not all. You can play a what if scenario analysis where you propose an alternate percentage allocation and visually and instantaneously see the positive or negative impact of rebalancing across all the time horizons. While the analytics use sophisticated algorithms rooted in strong mathematical foundation, we explain the results in plain English. We also embed short videos right next to the results to help you interpret these results. So now you can take the guesswork out of your investments. You can have a learned discussion with your personal financial advisor if you still need one. Since Wisefolio does all the heavy lifting, you can do the analysis as often as needed in as little time as it takes for you to brew tea. Coffee is an acceptable substitute. And best of all, it's absolutely free. So what are you waiting for? Just sign up with your email address at the URL mentioned to get started on your portfolio analysis today. Wisefolio, helping you with portfolio analysis, analytics that are actually useful.